Hello there. We've been building models and we're going to apply some Canopy. Why don't you come and take a look? I'm sure you'll find it interesting. Right, with that nonsense out of the way, there's basic there. How I deal with canopies. This one, it's actually, because it's got this little peg goes through there, and it's, to be fair, it's you know, it's not, well, yes it is, it's going to come off, but it is quite well stuck even without being stuck, if you catch my drift. But what I normally use on anything like this is either some of this is just standard PVA, which is quite thin, that one. Or if you need something a bit thicker, let's use this. Same stuff basically, and it will help you with gap filling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this up and get this canopy stuck on, which isn't going to take too long if I'm going to be honest. So what I do is just get something like this and this, put a drop on there like that. There we go. Use something like a pin, and you can kind of go crazy with this because it doesn't cloud your canopies or create any problems of that nature. Put a bit in there. And the other cool thing about this, it dries absolutely clear when it dries. So once it's set, it's gone off. I sometimes also use this for gap filling, especially on, I mean that might be a gap there to be honest with you. The thing is about this is you can, well, up into a gap, you can get it all on there, fill that up, and it will shrink slightly as it dries. Get that on there, a little bit of cloth, give it a wipe, and we'll fill that gap. And if there's a lot of surface detail, like these panel lines, I'm not going filler into there. I don't actually need to rub this down or anything like that and lose detail like that. And it's, I better put that on before that dries too much like that. Right, we are on. As you can see, I've got a bit of excess here and there. That's away with my finger. There's possibly some slight gappage. You can't see. There's possibly some slight gappage along the bottom there. So all I need to do with that. It's easy to with a pen. Give it a wipe and we're all good. And of course as that dries it will also stick the canopy to the model. PVA PVA is your friend, believe you me. I don't think there's a gap there. I'll pour a bit in on that wing root because maybe, I'm not too sure if there's a gap there or there isn't. I'll say you can smear this on as much as you like and then just wipe it off. Beautiful. A little more gap filling. And then we'll be at the point where we can start masking up bits and bobs and chucking paint at it and all that fun stuff. Although I'll possibly paint this canopy first before I do any of that. And show you how I deal with that one. Just still checking for gaps. There's a gap there. Too much. Boom. And we are on. Lovely.